Good evening and welcome. Between 2 and 3 million have now joined the CBI for SSR campaign. And this has spooked the Maharashtra government and the Bollywood PR gang. The Maharashtra government is spooked because they know that people in Maharashtra and in Mumbai are as angry, if not more, at their cover-up as anywhere else in India. And they're also spooked because though they tried to make it a Maharashtra versus Bihar issue, they failed. It's an all-India issue. The Bollywood PR gang is spooked. The Bollywood PR gang, those who called Sushant mentally unstable, suicidal, and I will take names, people like Mukesh Bhatt, who predicted a Parveen Bavi type end for him. These liars are spooked because they realize that people are so angry with this group, cabal, whether Karan Johar or Mahesh Bhatt, that their films they fear will no longer be money spinners. But just because they are spooked, should we be happy? Is this justice for Sushant? No, viewers, it's not. The rejection of a Mahesh Bhatt film or a sudden expression of sympathy by the same Sanjay Raut, who till yesterday was mocking and warning Sushant's family, is no demonstration that our fight has been successful. No, it's not. Our fight will be successful when the Supreme Court hands over on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or whenever this case to the CBI. But not just that. Our battle will be successful when those who have carried out this unimaginable conspiracy against justice in the Mumbai police and among Maharashtra's ruling dispensation, those who carried out this conspiracy while sitting in positions of power, quit and apologize. Quitting is more important than apologizing. Our war, which has been on for 2 months, against this attempt to project a winner as a suicidal and unstable person, will not be over till those who helmed it, including the Bhatts and Karan Johar and all of them, issue a public apology. This campaign is a battle of deeply entrenched, selfish interests on one side against the citizens on the other. And citizens this time won't just walk away till the culprits responsible for stretching our patience for 2 months quit and apologize. We need both, viewers. Remember, quit for those in power. Apologize for those who spread the depression lie. We will not spare them this time.